in their version of Cotillon de Honor, choreographed by Ms. Marnelli Maduro and assisted by Mr. Raul Maduro Jr.
Please welcome our first pair, Ms. Jane Rose Deloso, a 17-year-old former BS Computer Science student of ECI College, Philippines, escorted by Mr. Francis Prieto, a 24-year-old BS Computer Science graduate of De La Salle Araneta University, Philippines.
Our second pair, Ms. Jelame Malibong, a 15-year-old second-year superior student of Instituto Calvi taking up Radioneria Turistico, escorted by Mr. Kelvin Deloso, a 16-year-old former high school student of Bagong Barrio, Caloocan City.
Welcome our third pair, Ms. Kristen Fatima Escano, a 21-year-old former worker of Moda Fashion District in Mantuba Outlet, escorted by Mr. Delven Calulot, an 18-year-old economist student of Instituto Técnico para Actividades Sociales Carcele.
Our fourth pair, please welcome Ms. Ira Abulencia, a 15-year-old third-year student of Pellegrini Escola Media, escorted by Mr. Mark Andrew Padilla, a 21-year-old graduate of Electricista and is presently working in Martinez SRL.
Let's welcome our fifth pair, Ms. Jensen Malibon, a 16-year-old third-year student of Instituto Calvi taking up Radioneria Turistico, escorted by Mr. John Noel Espirito, an 18-year-old fourth-year student of Instituto Leonardo da Vinci taking up Haciendale.
Welcome our sixth pair, Ms. Charlene Padilla, an 18-year-old former student of Restaurazione Alberguera in Mestre, escorted by Mr. Mark Joseph Bolanos, a 16-year-old student of Scuola Media Trinciana.
Our seventh pair, please welcome Ms. Janet Torla, a 22-year-old graduate of Angeles University Foundation with a bachelor degree in BS Computer Science, escorted by Mr. D. Emmanuel Escano, a 22-year-old graduate student of Superiore Santa Paula with a degree in Pasticceria and Panificeria and presently working in LED SPA.
Our eighth pair, Ms. Karina Dayan Turla, a 20-year-old graduate student of Angeles University Foundation with a bachelor degree in Business Administration, major in Management, escorted by Mr. John Bolanos, an 18-year-old former Food Service Management student of Sorsogon State College.
And the last but not the least, our last pair, our debutante, Ms. Lovely Jane Tumines, an 18-year-old student of Erasmus Isabela, taking up Radioneria, escorted by Mr. Darrell Oscar Calolot, a 21-year-old fourth-year Bereto Mecánica student of Marconi and also presently working at Techno Garden in Limina.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Cotillon de Honor.